You can create AI songs in 60 seconds with AI, and I'm going to show you the whole process, not just talk about it. The tool is Mureka. Stick around, because the result at the end is genuinely impressive. So what is Mureka? Straight from the source, discover the AI music generator that creates unique and customizable songs, lyrics, and tracks for any project. Perfect for content creators, musicians, and filmmakers, our intelligent algorithm uses advanced technology to generate royalty F in plain words. It lets you create AI songs without any skills. Let me show you what it can really do. Here's what makes Mureka worth your time, taken straight from the tool itself. First, generate music effortlessly, your ultimate AI music generator creator. On top of that, download high-quality music, advanced AI music generation versus traditional methods. That's real capability, not marketing fluff. And these aren't mock-ups. This is real work people made with Mureka. Look at the quality, and keep in mind they had no experience when they started. It goes further too. Key advantages of our advanced AI music generator. Making music your way, comprehensive customization options. So it's not a one-trick tool, you'll actually keep using it. Let's actually use it. Go to the Mureka website and sign up. You can log in with Google in a few seconds, and the free plan needs no credit card. Once you're in, you start your project the same way you saw in those examples. You describe what you want in plain words, or upload your own file to work from. Hit generate, and Mureka does the heavy lifting in seconds. If it's not perfect, you tweak your prompt or settings and run it again. That back and forth is where the magic happens. When you're happy, export your result and use it anywhere, in your videos, your business, or social media. The whole thing really does take about 60 seconds. Honestly, the free plan is enough to get real value and test it properly. You only need to pay once you're scaling up or want commercial rights. No pressure to upgrade on day one. That's the full process to create AI songs with Mureka in 60 seconds. The link to try it is in the description. If this was useful, subscribe. I break down a new AI tool properly every day.